Hey, there you are. Thanks for tuning in. On this channel, we don't chase uptrends. We don't chase downtrends. We're focused, smart crypto investors. Let's go ahead and jump in. Now, this is something that I've been asked quite a bit about. What is the best way to make the most gains? Should I dollar cost average daily? Should I dollar cost average weekly or monthly? Which one is going to get me the best, the most, the highest gains? So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's pull up tradingview.com. We're going to look at 1 calendar year. Let's say we started to dollar cost average last year on August 1st. Now, 1 calendar year, let's say we're going to invest $5 a day. That's pretty reasonable. $5 a day, 365 days in that particular year, and we will have invested $1,825. Now, what will we get if we invest every single day all the way from August 1st to July 31st, 2020? Well, according to how the market goes up and down each day, we're going to be investing in all of these little points along the roller coaster of Bitcoin. At the end of the roller coaster, when we get to July 31st, 2020, we get there, we would have invested $1,825, and our investment would be worth, in today's valuation of Bitcoin, our investment would be worth $2,404.54. We would have accumulated 0.20975 Bitcoin in total, and giving us a profit of $579.55. So that's a great profit. That's 34% plus of profit. Now, if we want to compare that to what it will look like for weekly, let's go ahead and jump into weekly. So, starting around the same time, we're not going to invest every single day. We're going to save those $5 until the end of the week, and we're going to invest weekly starting on August 1st, 2019. So when 1 week goes by, we're going to go ahead and invest that money again and again and again. $35 every 7 days. So if we ride this roller coaster, it's a little bit different because some of the peaks and valleys we're going to miss because we wouldn't have necessarily invested on that particular day. So, for instance, this particular peak, we might miss, this particular valley, we might miss this valley because it only lasts for 1 day. At the end of that calendar year, if we're investing weekly, our $35 every single week, we would have invested $1,820. We would have accumulated 0.2097626 Bitcoin, giving us a grand total of $2,437.23. That means our profit for that calendar year is $617.23. So it looks like it's a little bit more than what we would get if we were investing every single day, dollar cost averaging. So we have a comparison of the weekly and the daily. So let's take a look and see what it would look like if we invested just once a month. So instead of weekly, instead of daily, we're going to invest on the first of the month, so we don't forget, every single month for 12 months. So August 1st, 2019, we're going to invest our $108.20. So on August 1st, 2019, we would have invested our monthly amount of $152.08. If we follow the roller coaster, we might miss some of those valleys. We might miss some of those peaks. We have a higher chance of missing some of those because we're not hitting them every single day or every single week. At the end of this time, we would have come out with 0.21094 Bitcoin. We would have invested our $1,825. We would have made a profit of $625.92, giving us a total of $2,450.92. So, which one is better? Which one will give you more profit? Which one is going to give you more of a quote-unquote bang for your buck? Well, it seems as if in this particular calendar year that the monthly technique of dollar cost averaging comes out on top. Now, they're all comparable. They're all going to fall around the same range, but it just depends on when you invest. So if I'm investing weekly and I hit some of these high points, I hit a lot of these high points along the way and don't hit as many low points along the way, then perhaps my return is going to be slightly less than it would be if I'm hitting a lot of these valleys on the monthly. So it just depends. It depends on what the actual chart looks like. Let me know what you think. Is it better to dollar cost average daily, weekly, or monthly? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. The important thing is that you consider to start that investing. Start it as soon as you can. Do your research, see if it is right for you, and take the plunge. Dollar cost average is the long-term smart way to invest in crypto. I hope this video has helped, and as always, stay smart, stay in the black.